Hi friends! I and my kid have made few arts and crafts as part of language and literacy. Today I am going to present them in front of you.
This is Vowels wall hanging. Bunny nose with article A written on it. Bunny nose with article an. These are app family bookmarks of cow, pig, cock, tiger. A ba app family spin drum. A ma am family tree. Am family word dominoes. An family flower. App family cap. R family car. At family book. A family plant. N family pen. Egg family truck. My bed as part of Ed family words. Ip and X family ice creams. Ig family house. Ip family strip. It family headband. Folk painting of sign words. Fr and gr blend words. My words tree of sign words. Br and br blend jars. My SK blend flower. Open mouth shark of sign words. My word wall of high frequency words. This word bookmark. That word bookmark.
That's all friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe.